So, good evening.
Ilagyan mo unan para hindi kita yung chan. Yan. Yan.
Good evening, everyone. This is the Soundcore Boost unboxing. So, I bought this guy from Amazon for $90.
Wow.
Good shit. My mom is watching. Language.
No bad words.
No bad words. Alright, so we're gonna open this box. I have no idea how.
You want the cutter?
Yes, please. Bring the cutter. The cutter is right there.
Where? You have a cutter here?
Yes.
So, have a cutter.
Sa pangalawa. Sa gilid.
Oh, you have your own box cutter, right?
Okay, so
Okay. Hi.
having your own box cutter is very, very useful.
Handy?
Handy. Useful.
Uy, wala na masyadong memory ah.
Careful.
There.
Make it fast.
Okay, there you go. Unboxing. So this one is supposed to equal the Bose SoundLink Mini 2, right?
Really?
Okay, that's what they say.
The cheaper version?
Okay, cheaper version, yes. There you go. Oh my god. Ta-da! Oh, ta-da! Look at that. Happy? Happy? Yes. Happy.
Oh, really? There's a
There's
question
a
if you're happy.
manual.
What if you say no? What will you do?
Okay.
Oh, this is not happy? See?
Oh, not
There's-
happy.
Oh,
that's
there's a happy.
Tito Alex. He's happy.
Happy.
That's Tito Chris.
Tito Christian. Pretty much like Tito Christian.
Oh my god.
Okay, there we go.
How much is that? 90? If it is good, I'll buy.
90. Oh, look at that. Look at that. The Bose.
It's the same as Salvador.
SoundLink Me. No, this is more premium. Look at that. The feel
Soft touch.
is premium. Oh,
It's waterproof.
waterproof, yes.
Waterproof?
Let's try!
Let's try. You can open this one. There you go. There's a
Connect
door.
my phone. Connect.
Connect.
How do connect?
Huh?
Connect your phone.
So I bought this one because I'm not a fan of the Bluetooth. So I bought the nylon cable because I like to use aux. So I bought this one,
So what's that?
and I'm hoping that this will be a very good investment on my part.
Show it to the camera.
Look at that. Look at that. Yung nylon cable as well for $10. This is what I will use to play songs through any device to the
Day in and day out.
okay. I hope we're doing it right. Let's turn it on first, of course.
No battery.
No battery.
No battery? Oh! Look at
Oh
that.
my god.
Feels premium. Eh? So we will play something on YouTube. We will play a song.
Chip fuck.
Language.
Chipmunk. So I said chipmunk.
Chipmunk. Okay, so what I want to play
Can I
is
turn on your electric fan?
Okay. It's not really loading. Don't know why. Let's search X Batal. XB! Favorite song.
Okay, go. What's your song?
Boss Gila, mainit ang tarima. What's up? Ano? What's up sila? Oo po, puma to. Wala.
Okay, Mohammed, what's the difference?
Wala sa itsura ba?
You have speakers at the front connected at the back as well.
What the guitar doesn't have?
Yeah, his doesn't have.
You! Next time.
Waterproof.
Okay. And it's waterproof.
Why is like it's not?
Bigger bass.
Then you can charge. Look at this. You can use it as charger.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh,
Oh no, it's buffing. It's from YouTube.
use your premium songs.
I'll stop. XP.